Today guys, I show you how to use Google Classroom on your PC or on your mobile. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, all you need to do, just open your browser and log in on your Google account. Go on this like me, the same way is on your phone, just click on your profile picture on phone. On PC, go on this, scroll here down and you will see Classroom, click on it. You will see here Google Classroom, choose your Google account like me and go here next. You will see here create items and join item. Just click on it, check this and go here next. Item name here, tap here section and classroom here. Go here make. After you create your classroom like me, you will see this. You can here customize your classroom. Click on it, choose color and you can upload here image. Go here save. To get students here in classroom, all you need to do, you will see here code. Copy this code and share with your students. When students open link, they will see join class. And that's it all guys for this video, how to use Google Classroom and how to make your own classroom. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.